we'll guide you through on how to post on Pinterest. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first thing you need to do is open the Pinterest app. If you're new on Pinterest, you need to log in. I've already logged in, so yeah, it doesn't give me that page. So after you have logged in, click on the plus icon in the bottom, as you can see. It's in the middle. Click on it and click on the option that says pin if you want to post an image. Now you'll see the images or videos that you have on your device. So let's just choose an image. For example, I'm choosing this sky image. I want to post the sky image. You can choose multiple pictures at a time, but I'm just choosing one. After choosing the images or the image, click on the option that says next on the top. After that, on this page, you get the opportunity to title your pen. For example, I'm just titling it with sky. That's it. You can give a description if you want. I'll just say it as sky again. After that, you can add a link if you want. I'm not adding any link. After that, it says pick a board. So board is basically like a folder. It's not exactly a folder, but it helps you keep your pins sorted out. So for example, let's just make a board to explain it. Now, click on create board. Now, let's just name your board. For example, I'll do it, let's say photography. Photography. Now, basically, what you'll do is you'll post all the pins related to photography. For example, as you can see, I'm posting my sky image in this board since it comes into the photography genre. After that, you get the option to invite your friends if you want. I don't really have friends. And in the end, you can see there's an option to keep your board secret if you want. But I want to keep it public. So after choosing all the options, you can click on create on the top. After that, you get the option to tag the topics. So just click on it if you want to. It's not necessary, but I'll just do it. Let's say photography, nature photography. Let's just choose that. In the advanced settings, you can choose if you want comments or not. You can also choose if you want the shopping recommendations in your pin. I'll just keep it like that. And after that, after you have done all the edits in your pro in the pin, click on the create option in the bottom right. It says finishing up, and that's it. It says your pin is published, and you can go. If you want to see your pins, just click on the profile icon in the middle, in the bottom, in the end, as you can see, and just wait for it to load. Click on the profile icon on the top, as you can see. Wait, yeah, there you go. Click on the profile icon. It says deep, and you can see all your pins there. As you can see, that's my sky image that I just posted, and that's pretty much it. That's how you post on Pinterest.